Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. You're probably wondering why I'm not actually talking to you on the screen. I had to do voiceover for this one again, intro and outro. I created this very easy, more wearable Christmassy look for you guys today. And if you want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, to start off the look, I'm taking Kat Von D's Lolita 2 lip liner pencil. And I'm placing this in the outer V of my eye, and this is going to be my eyeshadow base. I'm just applying this on top of a concealer, and then I am blending that out with a dual fiber brush, just until there are no harsh edges. Like in all my other videos that I use this, I always spend the most time doing this, and then I set it with a bit of powder. Now going into the Carity Picante palette, I'm taking the shade Delia. It's a very light peachy shade as my transition shade. And then I'm taking the shade Bobby, which is like a medium tone shade, adding this to my crease, blending. Now I'm taking the shade Flamenco and adding this to the crease as well. We're just building up that dimension. And of course, I'm going to be blending every step of the way. So now I'm going to darken that up with Bittersweet, just in the outer V of the eye. And then, you guessed it, I'm going to be blending again. And then I'm picking up the shade Fearless on a wet brush, and I'm going to apply this to the lid, and since it's wet and it's a metallic shade, we're basically cutting the crease. But I wanted this to be a softer look than an actual like half cut crease, so I didn't want to actually like lay the concealer down. And now I'm taking the MAC Dazzle liner in the shade Holiday Time, and I'm just running that along my crease. I just wanted to add a little bit of extra sparkle to this look because after all, it is the holidays. And now I'm going to be taking the NYX Epic Ink liner, and I'm going to be drawing this on the inner half of my lash line because I want this to go like ombre from black out to the green. So I'm just taking this halfway, and then for the other half I'm taking the Dawn Eyes Cosmetics Entrancing Pigment, and I'm using the Lit Cosmetics Glitter Base as my mixing medium. And I'm using a Suva Beauty 620 brush, and then I'm just winging that out. Now, it's pretty easy to make this green shade like ombre into the black because they're both pretty dark. Most things are quite easy to fade into that black. So basically, you're just going to pull it across where the black is, and it kind of does the work for you. You guys, like, look how nice that looks. It's so festive, but so simple, you know? It just adds so much to this. So I'm just cleaning my wing up with a wipe and then fixing the line if you've made any mistakes. And now we're going to work on the lower lash line. I'm taking that same Lolita 2 pencil in my waterline and along my lower lash line. I'm smudging it out, and then I'm using the same shadows that I used above, below. And of course highlighting the inner corner with the same shade on the lid. Then we're just popping on some lashes. These are from House of Lashes in the style Stella Luxe, and this is the finished eye look. So now moving on to my lips, this is the nude combo that I was wearing. It's Urban Decay's Stark Naked Comfort Matte Lipstick. It's really pretty nude. And then I'm layering the ABH Citrine Lip Gloss on top, which, oh my god, it's so pretty. Perfect for the holidays, so festive. I love it. And I just threw on this week is fashion green wig because we have to be extra at the holidays, right? So now the green lip combo that I was wearing is Jeffree Star's Crocodile Tears liquid lipstick, and then MAC's Peace, Love, Unity, Respect Grand Illusion liquid lip color. I love it. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. I had a great time creating this look, can't you tell? Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!